Jesus Freak here. Just picked up a delivery from UPS. And let's see. I only know some of what's in this box. My friend has picked a few things up for me, and over a period of, I guess, a few months. So this is kind of a mystery box. To the extent, I only know part of the contents. Packing material go right back in there. Had a copy, can't find it. Got another. Finally got the whole trilogy plus Nux. You don't really have the whole trilogy without Nux. I knew about this. Third part of the Super Star Wars trilogy, and the only one I haven't played on metal. Making sure stuff isn't hidden in here. I actually used to have this. Lost in a flood. A little over 20 years ago. I think this was just, toss it in. Used to have this too. Pretty good puzzler. And the rest of the Star Wars trilogy, because I have Super Star Wars packed up. And it's a really weird looking Genesis cart. And another game I used to have that I lost in the flood. It means I'm now one game away from recovering my whole Game Boy collection. Anyway, a lot of these games are probably, pretty common ones. Mortal Kombat 2, by the way, is the first game I owned for my original Game Boy. And that was the first, game system I owned. So there's a bit of nostalgia trying to, rebuild some of my collection. Jesus, freak out.